Alright, if you're after a solid little stove that just works, this one does the job. This is the Dune 4WD Single Burner Stove. She's compact, reliable and super easy to use. Measuring only 34 by 28 and weighing 2 kilos, she's light enough to carry everywhere and it comes in a convenient hard case. The Dune 4WD Single Burner Stove runs off your usual butane canisters. Just clip it in, turn the dial and it fires up instantly. No matches, no mucking around, just instant heat. Now she gets hot fast. It's great for boiling water or getting a decent sear on your steak, or you can turn it down low for any simmering. It also has a built-in windshield which helps so you're not constantly relighting in windy conditions. Now this part's worth pointing out, it's got 2 safety shutoffs. So if the pressure gets too high, the canister pops out and the gas cuts off. You don't have to think about it, it handles itself. The enamel top makes cleaning up easy, nothing sticks, just wipe it down and then back in the case it goes. So whether it's brick in the bush, lunch on the boat or a quick feed at the beach, this stove holds its own. She's small, safe and packs enough punch to get the job done. You can pick one up from Anaconda online or in store.